Hi, fourth grade. Okay, so today you guys are doing two different lessons. Well, like practice things. I'm giving you two because they're really simple, and I know you'll catch on to them quickly. So first of all, you're going to be showing a fraction by shading the model, which will also be your decimal. So it says show 2/10 by shading the model. Click and drag to shade. So how many we have? They already told us that we have 10, so we know it's tenths. Okay, so the model has 10 equal parts. You can shade any two parts to show 2/10. So they give you an example here. You could do these two right next to each other. You could do one here, one here. It doesn't matter. Any two counts because it's still 2/10, no matter which one you fill in. Okay, so that's what you're doing for this particular lesson. Pretty simple. I think you guys will ace it, no problem. Okay, and then for the other one, you'll be doing writing the decimal number based on what's written, so like the words. Okay, so it says write 2 9/10 as a decimal number. Okay, so you may need to refer back to that place value chart that I put in the fourth grade channel. You're more than welcome to do that. That's why I did it, so that you'd have it as a tool to use. So this breaks it down for you. In the problem itself, it won't do that. But it says use a place value chart. First, write the whole number. So we know we have 2, so we put 2 ones, and 9/10. And that and in word form is basically your decimal point, okay? So it's telling you 2 wholes and 9/10. So that's your fraction, or that's your decimal part. So you end up writing it 2 ones and, there's our decimal, 9/10. Okay, again, pretty simple. I think you'll do just fine. If you have questions, please let me know. This is really important for you guys to understand decimals. We're going to get into them a lot more in these next couple weeks because you're going to need to know them really well for 5th grade. Okay, so there you go. Go ahead and get started. All right, I love you guys.